So, dahil naita-transfer you kasi it's a craft. Just so you know, it's a craft. Tinuturo yan. Pinapractice yan. It will become a skill to them. I know it very well. I really know it very well on how they are being trained and deployed. Yes, so may testing yan. Usually ang testing yan, ATABS, mga batang estudyante, bago titira ng malakihan yan. Ano mo na yan as they progress. Kaya, yes, we'll continue to apprehend them as much as we can. Wala na. Pero I doubt it. I doubt myself saying that na wala na. O di good luck sa kanila. Ito na yung mga katropa nila. Gusto nyo na magkita-kita kayo. O, pwede na kayo magpompiyangan sa city jail. We welcome them. But